I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivables integrated with NetSuite, and today I will walk you through how to create a price book for subscription plans in NetSuite. So first we will go to List Subscription Plans. Then we will go down to the subscription plan we created earlier in another video. We will simply click on View. Here we will go to the Price Book tab. And here what we need to do is click on New Price Book. This will open a new window for you, a pop-up. So first I will give it a name, My First Price Book. You need to choose the corresponding currency, here the US dollar. And then under you will see the Price Book Lines subtab, where you need to click on the Edit icon next to the item to create a price plan for each item in your subscription plan. So here I have a new pop-up that opened, and you need to complete all the required fields such as interval, start date. In another video I tell you exactly how to create a price plan, so here I'll just fill it in to focus on the price book part. So here now we do have a price plan, as you can see here. So quick reminder, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more NetSuite insights. And then on this screen you have different options. First you have the interval field to choose the billing frequency, like here month, week, year. You also have discount field, where it can be either a percentage or a flat discount, as well as the charge frequency, for example monthly or annually, and set how often the charge should occur using the repeat every field. On the right hand side you will have this prorate by field, where you can select how you want to prorate the charges, and you simply repeat these steps for all the items in your price books. Here I have only one, so it's pretty easy. I'll click on OK, and once all items are in your price books, you simply click on Save. In order to chase the invoices that will be generated by SuiteBilling, Coleno can help you optimize that with a Suite app seamlessly integrated with NetSuite. And that's it, you've successfully created a price book. Don't forget to like this video and check the comments for more NetSuite tips. Bye bye!